Canon PowerShot G16 12.1MP CMOS digital camera with 5x optical zoom and 1080p Full HD video Wi-Fi enabled. Built-in Wi-Fi technology allows you to wirelessly transfer your images to social networking sites through Canon Image Gateway. Upload virtually anywhere on your iOS or Android device with free download of the Canon Camera Window app. Capture breathtaking 1080p Full HD video capture at 60 fps, and playback on an HD TV via the HDMI output. 12.1 megapixel high sensitivity 1/1.7-inch CMOS sensor combined with the Canon Digic 6 image processor for outstanding low-light performance up to ISO 12800, 5x optical zoom, 28mm 140mm, and a bright f/1.8 W, f/2.8 T lens enables you to capture more in your frame. Please note, for details on compatibility with Mac systems, please refer to the compatibility sheet present on our site below. Style. Base product description: the Canon PowerShot G16 compact digital camera with built-in Wi-Fi is an advanced point-and-shoot camera featuring a 12.1 megapixel 1/1.7 high-sensitivity CMOS sensor and Digic 6 image processor to produce high-quality still imagery and full HD 1080p video. Together they form the Canon HS system, which helps to improve the image quality of dimly lit shots by reducing noise and enhancing the overall clarity. Additionally, the processor offers a range of speed-related assets throughout the camera as well as a high-speed F system for maintained sharpness in a variety of shooting conditions. The built-in Canon 5x optical zoom lens provides a 35mm equivalent focal length range of 28-140mm covering wide-angle to telephoto length perspectives. For instant sharing and transferring of photos and movies, built-in wireless connectivity is available and helps to expedite sending imagery directly to an Android or iOS mobile device through the use of the free Canon Camera Window app. From the manufacturer, untitled document: incredible imaging ready to share with performance and creative expression approaching that of an SLR camera. The new PowerShot G16 camera makes unlimited imaging not just portable, but now wireless too. Built-in Wi-Fi offers easy setup and powerful capabilities. Upload stills and video to Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and Flickr. Send to email, share to tablets and smartphones, print wirelessly, and transfer to PCs. You'll be eager to share the spectacular images you create with the 12.1 megapixel high-sensitivity CMOS sensor and Digic 6 image processor. Together they create the Canon HS system for significantly improved resolution and an expanded ISO range of 8,012,800. Stunning 1080p/60p Full HD video is possible thanks to the Digic 6 image processor, vividly realistic and incredibly smooth. A 5x optical zoom offers excellent shooting versatility and the bright f/1.8 lens performs brilliantly in low light. Continuous shooting with full resolution has been boosted up to EOS caliber speeds, and high-speed AV puts images in focus almost the moment the camera is aimed at, so you can freeze that perfect shot. Intelligent as counteracts camera shake for clear shots in any situation. Shoot HDR photos without a tripod, and add dynamic new finishing effects. You can also capture breathtaking images of the nighttime sky with new star shooting modes. Enjoy pro-like advantages such as multi-aspect shock, which lets you take control over the editing process, and compatibility with Canon speed light flashes and a variety of EOS system accessories ensures you a world of photographic discovery. Share images and video wherever, whenever. Built-in Wi-Fi gives you more options for sharing with friends, family and the whole world. The PowerShot G16 camera is equipped with built-in Wi-Fi technology for on-the-go convenience when you want to share your photos and videos with friends, family and the whole world. The camera can connect directly to both iOS and Android devices and upload images via the free Canon Camera Window app without a computer. And because the PowerShot G16 captures video using easy-to-share MP4 format, it's never been easier to upload video files. Easily post your images to social networking and media sites Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and now Flickr through Canon Image GATWAY number, or save them to the online photo album to share in ATMEC anywhere. Enhanced Wi-Fi makes posting in real time possible, so you can keep everyone up to date with photos even as events unfold. Easily control the destination of your uploads to social networking sites, share with the RENEC, or send photos to selected groups. You can also add comments given another LANGUAGES cap. Transfer images to other Wi-Fi equipped PowerShot cameras. Send images to your computer core. Print your photos directly to a wireless PictBridge certified printer. Enhanced Wi-Fi features make connecting and sharing easier than ever. Built-in Wi-Fi on the PowerShot G16 camera has new features that streamline setup and sharing for a faster, easier, more comprehensive experience than ever. WebKey input is no longer necessary, and you can even set up and manage your camera/web service transfer preferences without the use of a software CD or USB cable. Wi-Fi and a web browser are all you need. And new automatic switching through the image sync function makes saving and organizing your images EASINER number. When the camera finds a linked PC on the same wireless network, images are sent directly to it. A TheraWSEC images are temporarily stored on Canon Image GATWAY number, then transferred once a connection is MATIC, eliminating the need for cables. Compatible with iOS version 6.06.1 or later, and Android devices version 2.75/0.1/2 or later. Data charges may apply. This software enables you to upload images to social network sites. Before uploading images, please be aware that image files may contain privacy-related information such as people and places. If necessary, please delete such information. Canon does not obtain, collect, or use such images or any information included in such images through this software. One-time registration is required on Canon Image Gateway online photo album. The PowerShot G16 supports English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Russian, and Spanish. Initial setup is required. Phenomenal images and incredible performance start here. 12.1 megapixel high sensitivity CMOS sensor. The PowerShot G16 camera employs a Canon 12.1 megapixel high sensitivity CMOS sensor, which delivers state-of-the-art imaging performance and is optimized for use in compact cameras. Utilizing a sophisticated light capturing design kit provides high sensitivity for improved high ISO capture with reduced noise. It is capable of rapidly capturing and moving image data to the processor, enabling faster continuous shooting and faster autofocus. Canon Digic 6 image processor. The PowerShot G16 camera is equipped with the very latest Canon proprietary processor, the Digic 6 image processor, which makes several important advancements to image quality both in stills and video. Improved light sensitivity allows for higher resolution with less noise when shooting in dark conditions, and dynamic is now detects and compensates for tilt and parallel movement, shift blur, to create video that's exceptionally free of distortion. The Digic 6 image processor also enhances the performance capabilities of the PowerShot G16C, powering full resolution high-speed continuous still shooting. See dedicated section for more details. And video recording is better than ever because the Digic 6 image processor enables full HD at 60pc as well as MP4 recording. Highly compressed MP4 video not only preserves space on your memory card, but also improves playback on mobile devices. Plus, with MF peaking possible thanks to the new processor, you'll have a pro-level focusing tool at your disposal. Canon HS system for exceptional low light performance up to ISO 12800. The PowerShot G16 camera gives you the power to create images with spectacular depth, detail, and emotional resonance. The 12.1 megapixel high sensitivity CMOS sensor works in concert with Canon's own latest generation Digic 6 image processor to create the renowned Canon HS system. With the Canon HS system, you'll experience excellent tracking performance even in low light, and achieve gorgeous still image quality even at high ISO speeds all the way up to ISO 12800. Beautiful low light shots are possible with minimal noise and maximum detail in highlight and shadow areas. The Canon HS system lets you use higher shutter speeds to capture clearer images with reduced noise and blur in a variety of situations for incredible photos and videos. Stunning Full HD video that's better than ever. 1080p/60p Full HD video with the camera's advanced Digic 6 image processor enabling MP4 format recording. The PowerShot G16 camera lets you shoot video at a selectable frame rate of 60 fps or 30 fps. 1080p/60p Full HD video is extraordinarily smooth and rich in playback, ensuring that your important memories and creative film clips look their absolute best. Video recorded at 30 fps has also been improved through the combination of the Digic 6 image processor and fine movie detail processing with reduced noise and high resolution. HDTV playback via HDMI with SEC support. It's easy to enjoy and share the videos you shoot with the PowerShot G16 camera. Simply connect its HDMI terminal to your HDTV using an HDMI cable. And because the PowerShot G16 supports HDMI SEC technology, you'll be able to control the playback of your images and videos on any SEC-enabled HDTV using the TV's remote control. SEC Consumer Electronic Control is part of the HDMI specification, enabling components in a system to communicate with one another. A bright and powerful lens lets you capture more 5x optical zoom, 28mm 140mm, and a bright f/1.8 w, f/2.8 t lens enables you to capture more in your frame and is ideal for low light conditions or using shallow depth of field. For dramatic soft backgrounds, the PowerShot G16 camera's 28mm wide-angle 5x optical zoom lens with a focal length of 6.130.5mm, 35mm filmed equivalent, 28,140mm, achieves f/1.8 f/2.8 c, making it one of the camera's most exciting features. The wide-angle lens gives your images a distinctive sweep and grandeur, capturing landscapes, cityscapes, tall buildings and wide groups of people with ease. The large f/1.82.8 aperture allows you to achieve shallow depth of field for creating portraits with beautiful soft background blur. And incomparable Canon optical technology delivers a high-performance lens enabling incredible images even in low light. Continuous shooting gives you exactly the shot you want. Full resolution continuous shooting and high speed AV powered by the Digic 6 image processor. The PowerShot G16 camera gives you a seamless pro-like continuous shooting experience that's fully available in PC, TVC, AV and M modes. Shooting and processing are now performed in tandem, eliminating buffering time to deliver speeds up to 9.3 fps. Streamlined new processing makes the camera's high-speed AV the fastest in Canon compact camera historic, achieving focus nearly the instant the camera is aimed. With no separate mode setting and no reduction in image quality, you can freeze brilliant action shots with these. The first 6 shots are shot at a rate of 12.2 fps. From the 6th shot onward, it becomes approximately 9.3 fps. The PowerShot G16 can continuously shoot up to 522 shots at approximately 9.3 fps when using an SDHC/SDXC UHSI card, based on Canon's standard test method. Optimal image stabilization in any situation. Electronikz automatically chooses from 6 different modes to optimize image stabilization for the shooting condition. It's easy to capture clear, steady images with the PowerShot G16 camera even in low light without using a tripod. That's because the camera is equipped with Canon's innovative Electronikz. The system analyzes camera movement and applies the best shake correction method for the shooting situation, allowing you to focus on framing and capturing your shot. For stills, the system automatically selects among normal, panning, macro, hybrid, and tripod as modes. When shooting video, the system automatically selects among dynamic, PowerShot, macro, and tripod as modes. Normal corrects for a wide range of camera movement when shooting stills. Panning motion is detected so that it does not interfere with desired camera movement. Macro, hybrid, corrects for shift-type camera shaking, which typically occurs in macro, close-up, shooting. Dynamic, effective for video shooting at wide-angle focal lengths, eliminating the unwanted shaking that typically occurs while walking. Powered compensates for hand movement when shooting video at the telephoto end of the zoom range where camera shake is magnified. Tripod, when tripod uses detect the image stabilizer is stopped because it is not needed. Set your creativity free. Full range of shooting and recording modus concluding 12-bit multi-aspect RAW plus JPEG is found in Canon EOS DSLR camera. Ask for the ultimate creative control. As with many EOS DSLR camera, the PowerShot G16 camera uses a 12-bit converter to process the output of the CMOS sensor, resulting in true color, smooth tonal transitions, and natural gradations. The PowerShot G16 lets you shoot in RAW mode, which records all the information captured by the sensor, giving you outstanding flexibility and complete creative control when editing your images with Canon's powerful bundled software. And the camera allows you to record in RAW and JPEG formats simultaneously. Now in RAW mode you can even select among several aspect ratios concluding 16:9:3, 2:4, 3:1, 1:C and 4:5. Take your creativity further with optional accessories compatible with genuine Canon speedlight flashes and EOS system accessories. For additional creative options, the PowerShot G16 camera lets you expand your creative options with a variety of optional accessories. Teleconverter TC-DC 58x, for example, enlarges the camera's reach by 1.4x. A lens hood is included to block unnecessary light from outside the angle of viewpoint. Several Canon speedlight flashes are also available for use with the PowerShot G16 to give you advanced options for exposure and illumination. Macro ring light Mr. 14X is perfect for close-up and macro shooting. The innovative macro twin light MT24X delivers a directional quality to macro illumination. Waterproof case WPDC52C, designed especially for the PowerShot G16C, lets you use the camera to document your snorkeling and diving adventures all the way to depths of 130 feet, 40 meters. The case is also great for protecting the camera from raincoat and spray at the beach and any wet conditions. Conversion lens adapter LADC58L is required for teleconverter TC-DC58X, macro twin light MT24X and macro ring light Mr. 14X. Beautiful images with beautiful detail. High dynamic range scene mode with new artistic submodes. Shooting in high contrast environments can often result in photos with overexposed and underexposed sections. So to tackle this problem, Canon developed the high dynamic range shooting mode to make shooting even more intuitive. Under high dynamic range, the camera will shoot 3 different exposures in succession: underexposed, overexposed and normal, and then merge them into a single image. Underexposed areas are combined with the overexposed and vice versa, resulting in an evenly detailed image with flattering shadows and highlights. The PowerShot G16 camera allows you to use this feature without a tripod and features 4 submodes in addition to natural art, standard art, vivid art, bold and art embossed, which provides striking effects that add to the creativity of your compositions. Capture the night sky like never before. New star shooting modes. Starry skies were formerly out of reach to all but experienced SLR camera users, but new star shooting modes on the PowerShot G16 camera make these wonderfully impressive images accessible to all. With just the tripod and simple settings, you can capture exquisite star nights, capesk star trails, and star time-lapse movies. The modes can't be performed fully automatic, or with manual controls for extra versatility. Support functions including night display and star emphasis have also been added, making any starry sky easier to capture. Additional features: hybrid auto creates a beautiful and steady 720p HD video clip every time you shoot a still image. Hybrid auto records up to 4 seconds of video every time you shoot a still image, then automatically joins the clips and pictures into a video that captures the essence of special days, vacations, important occasions, anytime you are shooting many shots in a day. With hybrid auto, this highlight reel is more beautiful than ever. Hybrid auto automatically recognizes the scene and optimizes camera settings to capture the highest possible image quality. The resulting 720p HD video is properly exposed, crisp and steady. Pictures can't be withheld from the resulting video via menu settings. Pro Style Manual Focus Control. The PowerShot G16 camera makes manual focusing easier than ever before for both still images and video, with MF peaking, a concept inherited from EOS cameras. It clearly outlines the focused subject with Electronikz, making it simple to fine-tune focus and achieve just the effect you want. The line itself can be customized for color and width. Dual-axis electronic level. The PowerShot G16 camera has a dual-axis electronic level featuring an artificial horizon over the image on the rear LCD screen, or in the viewfinder for easy leveling while shooting. The dual-axis electronic level shows both horizontal roll and vertical pitch, making it easy to identify when the camera is in a fixed level shooting position and ready to take the shot. The EOS-like dial setting, like EOS digital SLR camera, the PowerShot G16 camera employs a Pro-style front dial. The front dial can be set to control shooting parameters including aperture, shutter speed, step, zoom, white balance, high contrast, and aspect ratio. Shooting modes. The PowerShot G16 camera offers shooting modes that make it easy to take perfect photos in a wide range of shooting situations by providing intelligent presets with optimized settings. Custom define and store your own settings to achieve the effects you prefer. Manually, you have complete control of exposure, selecting both aperture and shutter speed manually. Aperture priority, you set the aperture, controlling depth of field. The camera automatically selects the shutter speed. Shutter priority, you select the shutter speed to stop or blur action and the camera finds the appropriate aperture. With slow exposure times, Canon's noise reduction system activates to ensure low image noise. Program access advanced exposure compensation features while shooting mostly automatically. Movie Digest and Hybrid Auto automatically selects shooting settings for optimal quality and records a video clip every time you capture a still image. 1 day's worth of clips and images are then combined into a single video. Smart Auto, the camera automatically selects the best shooting settings for optimal quality, based on subjects and environmental factors to provide point-and-shoot simplicity. Portrait, the camera sets a large aperture, focusing the subject and artistically blurring the background to make your subject pop. Smart Shutter, the camera automatically takes the photo when people smirk, wink, or get into frame. Star shooting modes capture beautiful images of the night sky with 3 different modes: Star Night Sky, Star Trails, and Star Time-lapse movies. Handheld night scene, take clear and steady pictures at night without the use of a tripod. Underwater capture underwater images with reduced backscatter effect. Optional underwater case required. Snow, shoot clear snow scenes without darkened subjects or an unnatural bluish tint. Fireworks, grab brilliant images of skyrocketing fireworks. Creative filters, this setting provides easy access to special filter effects and scene mods such as toy camera effect, poster effect, monochrome, and more. High dynamic range, the camera combines 3 different exposures to get one evenly lit image. Nostalgic, create the look and feel of old photographs using sepia tones and black and white. Fishy effect, add a classic photo distortion without a fishy lens. Miniature effect emphasizes perspectives for a miniature effect by blurring upper and bottom portions of the image. Toy camera effect simulates photos taken with toy or pinhole camera, darkening the image at the edges to create a vignette effect. Background focus creates attractive background blur, selectable in 3 different levels to imbue photos with the look of a classic portrait. Soft focus creates a hazy ambience that's perfect for portraits and wedding photos. Monochrome, choose from 3 single tone effects: black and white, sepia, or blue. Super vivid intensifies existing hues, saturating the scene with bright colors. Poster effect combines several similar shades into one color, turning subtle gradations into eye-catching scene-popping contrasts. Movie record video and stereo sound. Unwanted scenes can't be deleted in playback mode. Super slow motion, movie records your clips in high speed, approximately 240 fps, see and then watch your videos in slow motion. Direct connect to your printer, it's quick and easy to make beautiful prints from your PowerShot G16 camera with Canon's direct print system. Directly connect your PowerShot camera to a Canon PIXMA or selfie photo printer with a USB cable and simply press the button to print. Turn every favorite moment into an amazing photo. Available in 30 languages. There are now a total of 30 display languages from which you can choose: English, German, French, Dutch, Danish, Finnish, Italian, Norwegian, Swedish, Spanish, Simplified/Traditional, Chinesic, Japanesic, Russian, Portuguese, Korean, Greek, Polish, Czech, Hungarian, Turkish, Thaic, Arabic, Romanian, Ukrainian, Farsi, Indic, Malay, Indonesian, and Vietnamese. I usually use my Canon 6D for photographic, but I needed something small to carry around that shot in RAW. This fits the bill. A great improvement over my G10C. The G16 image quality is top-notch. There are many auto modes that I played with as well that work nicely. While I love shooting in aperture preferred mode, there is a setting that allows you to take portrait shot and the setting blurs the background for you. Basic Helica takes 2 shots and blurs the background. It works surprisingly well and takes the worry out of choosing in a portrait, etc. If you like to shoot in RAW and need something more portable than a DSLR, check out the G16.